na ating sama-samang tinutulungan. Thank you, mga Dabar Cats.
Alright, makibalita tayo sa mga Dapper Cats sa Barangay San Sebastian, Hagonoy, Bulacan. Dapper Cats, pasok!
Yes, and we are here now at Barangay San Sebastian, Hagonoy, Bulacan. Right now, we English. Right now, we English because Carla is there. And later pa.
Carla?
Yeah.
The pretty Carla Cavalli.
Okay, later, we will. Later, you talk, okay?
Yeah.
That's the mother of Danielle.
Daniel, no. Estrada po yun.
Carla?
Estrada po.
Iba to.
Ay, po ba? Okay, iba. Iba yun. Pero dito na muna. Ito na yan. Kung talent din lang o talent mo ay panggagaya ng boses,
Alay! Ako, pati Bulldog, ako, idol! Pasok ka dito sa nag-iisang
Cowboys! Boses lang ang puhunan!
Dalawa na naman ang magpapa-impress para sa ating mga surprise judges.
Wow!
At ang mananalo ay mag-uwi ng 20,000 pieces.
Yes! At narito na ang ating unang Cowboys contestant. Tawagin na natin. Eto ngayon, 2 years na siyang nanggagaya ng boses.
2 years na. At
2 years
ginagamit niya yung talent na yan sa mga school activities nila.
Aba, malamang guro. Baka guro ito.
Katulad ng PTA meeting, mga gano'n.
Malamang guro.
Sino-sino ba nagagaya niya?
Si Era.
Estrada. Liam
Si, ano yun?
Neeson.
Liam Neeson.
Si Holly.
Ryan Agoncillo. Ryan Agoncillo. Harry Potter. Kaya kapatid ni Celso.
Ultimus Prime.
Sino pa?
Ay, si Pinoy.
Presidente?
Sige.
Kaya niya yan?
Yun, okay.
Nahihirap yan.
Sige na natin.
Nahihirap
From
yan.
Santa Mesa, Manila, ka-voice number 1, Richmond Manalo.
Ay, magaling yan.
Oy.
Sa apelyido pa lang.
Apelido pa lang. Wala nang mic. Hello.
Hello.
Niloloko mo ako eh.
Richmond, wait, ilang taong ka na ba?
18 po.
18 years old. Oh.
Bata pa talaga, kaya 2 years ka pa lang naggaganyan, nagagaya-gaya ng boses. Paano mo na-discover ito?
Habang ano po, mahilig po kasi ako manood ng mga anime, cartoons at saka mga movies po.
Ginagaya mo yung mga boses.
Alam mo, bihira yung mahilig manood ng movie at ng mga anime, yan.
Nakakatawa lang may pera.
Iba tong bata na to, ha?
Oh, sabi mo, ginagamit mo yung talent mo sa pag-iba-iba ng boses sa mga school activities. Ano-ano bang mga school activities yan?
Pag po mayroong program sa school, ako po yung ginagawa nilang host, tapos po, nanggagaya-gaya ako ng boses, tapos natutuwa naman po sila.
Sigurado, natutuwa sila.
Oo. Basta may natutuwa, importante na yun.
Oo, dapat
matutuwa,
mapasaya.
ha?
Okay na yun.
Eto, mapatuwa mo kaya to, mapasaya mo yung ating mga judges, ating surprise judges. Kaya eto na, from Santa Mesa, Manila,
Richmond Manalo.
Noong nakaraang eleksyon, inilal niyo ako bilang Pangulo. Pumasok tayo sa kasunduan. Kayo ang boss ko. Alam niyo po ba, excuse me po, na mahilig po ako manood ng sine. Paborito ko po ang Transformers, kung saan nandun si Optimus Prime. I am Optimus Prime. I am sending you this message. The Autobots will help the people save the Decepticons. At hindi lamang po yan. Paborito ko rin po si Harry Potter.
Professor Dumbledore! Professor! We found the chamber! We know where the chamber is! Wingardium Leviosa!
At iniidolo ko rin po si Liam Neeson. I don't know who you are, but I will find you. I will find you, and I will kill you. At siyempre po, hindi mawawala ang aking kumparing si Era. Walang kaibigan, walang abang-badre, walang abang-abarit, dito sa Maynila. Maraming salamat po. Ngunit hindi po yan ang aking ulat sa bayan. Abangan niyo po ang aking patuloy na paglilingkod sa inyo. Ipagpatuloy natin ang tuwid na daan.
Yun.
Ayan ang ating ka-voice number 1, Richmond Manalo.
Medyo kakaiba.
Diba? Kaya ngayon po, inaalam natin kung paano natin gagawin ito. Walang
Sino naman yan?
walang kaibigan. Kayo, ang boss ko. Ando ang binabasa. Hindi ba? Ando na ganyan.
Para pag ikaw ang gumagaya, nauuwi si Kesoko.
Hey, Carla. Carla, are you still there?
Carla.
Hi, are you enjoying the show, Carla?
She's here. She's
Hi
here.
guys.
Are you enjoying the show?
I'm joining the show on Saturday, I think.
No. Now you're watching a show right now,
I'm
right?
enjoying it. Yes.
How is it?
It's very funny. His Liam Neeson impression was awesome.
So what is? Oh, so awesome! So what's funny, Bugs Bunny?
Baka English lang.
Well, you want to
That's Kuya Jose.
Hi.
Hi.
You want to
It's very
come here, Carla, and
join us.
and join a live show.
In the barangay.
Yeah, you're very welcome.
It's very hot.
Yeah.
I would
Visit
love
us
to.
tomorrow.
I would love to. Am I invited?
Yeah, you're invited here. You want
Yes.
tomorrow, to want next day, or maybe next year?
Whenever. Every day.
Yeah,
Every day.
Do you want us to welcome you in a Filipino way? Like fiesta, lots of food with the band?
And lots
Yes,
of
please.
jackpot here.
How about tomorrow you can't because it's Riza's birthday.
Oh.
Yeah.
Can we
He's
postpone the
coming to my
birthday?
birthday.
Can we postpone
Come
the
on, let's
birthday?
postpone the birthday.
No, that's Riza's special day. How about on Saturday, Carla?
Is she Carla?
Saturday sounds great.
Yeah,
I'll
sounds
meet you on
great.
Saturday. But will you have a fiesta for me? Because I really want to party with the Filipinos.
Yeah, we have a fiesta here.
Yes,
Yes, there's a lot of fiesta. What do you want fiesta?
2,000 pesos only.
Yeah, huh?
Hey,
We'll prepare you a
Jose.
lots of food.
hindi nyo na itatanong.
Okay, now I'm asking you, citizen.
Carla Cabali. Siya yung host nung meron siyang TV show sa abroad, Amerika. Yung host na siya ng Planet Primetime in USA. Carla, Planet Primetime.
You know you got the right show, Carla.
Don't you have a Planet of the Apes?
Ay, nako, ano ba naman yan?
May problema ba tayo, Tito Sen?
Wala. Tanong ko lang.
Okay, Carla, why don't you bring the Dabar Gods in Planet?
Of the apes.
Of the apes.
You're welcome here, Carla.
Great, thank you. I'll see you on Saturday then.
And then don't forget, Carla, the one thing I want to tell you something. No? What? Now, we always it, and we school today. and listen very quickly. And then you want to go, I'm gonna be propelled ceiling.
Sabi mo?
Sabi mo? Klaro siya.
Just talk to him in English.
Okay.
Okay. Now,
Master.
Speak English really, really, really fast?
Yeah.
Like I can
Yeah.
talk really, really fast?
hey, good.
Oh, so then he won't understand what I'm saying if I talk English really, really fast?
Yeah, but I need to know.
Yeah.
Okay, Carla, you... Tayo na. Thank you very much, Carla.
Just see you on Saturday.
Thank you.
Carla. Prepare you a
See
lots
you
of
on
food.
Saturday.
See you Saturday.
Pakainin natin yung budol.
Mga pinifeature pala nung show niya, mga show, mga landmark, iba-ibang bansa. At saka mga shows sa iba-ibang
Iba-ibang
bansa.
TV show sa iba't ibang bansa.
Hey, Carla, are you related to Roberto Cavalli?
I am not
Yeah,
related to
piano.
Roberto Cavalli that I know
pianist.
of.
The pianist.
But you never know. If I look
The
back at my
designer.
family tree, maybe.
Designer.
Ang sabi niya?
Ako, umulang din eh.
Basta magandang pakinggan, ha?
Okay.
Okay.
Well, that's all, Carla. We'll see you on Saturday.
Hey, I'm looking forward to it.
Yeah, nice.